My name is Karthik Kumar. Hi, why we are clicking photos today? Do you know why? Yes, I know today is World Photography Day. When we are celebrating World Photography Day. World Photography Day is celebrated on August 19 of every year. World Photography Day was first celebrated on August 19 of 1839. This day is meant for recognition of importance of photography in our life. On this day, people also remember the great photographist. The word photography was first formed by Sir John Shell in 1939. It is the international celebration of the invention, that skill of photography. Now I would like to call Mohammedan to ask some information. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammedan. I'm grade 3. There are those personal photos that we all love, but there are also photos that tell a story. The word photography comes from Greek meaning of drawing. Thank you. Thank you, Mohammedan. Next, I'd like to call Aliza to ask some thought for today. Good morning everyone. My name is Aliza from grade 3 C section. Thought for today. Some people like to click photograph, but some people like to be in the photograph. Thank you. Thank you, Aliza. Next, I'd like to call Ikra Taj to give theme of the year. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ikra Taj. I am from grade 3C section. The theme of World Photography Day of 2004 is an entire day. Thank you. Thank you, Ikra Taj. Next, I'd like to call Ikra Khanam to ask some GK questions. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ikra Khanam. Some GK question. On which day the World Photography Day is celebrated? Correct answer is August 20 of every year. In which country the word photography was invented? France. And correct answer is France. Who is the best photographer in the world? Correct answer is Joy. Thank you. Thank you, Krakala.